Hello dear students, good morning everyone. This is the numerical problem related to class 11 physics, and in this numerical today we will try to understand about the concept of solving any numerical based on physics concept. So just try to understand about the concept of this numerical. This is based on kinematics concept. Just see, a balloon is rising upward. Balloon is rising upward. Suppose here a balloon connected with a rope, and this one rising upward, and then after two stones are dropped from balloon. Here two stones are dropped. Suppose these two stones are held inside balloon and dropped one by one. Condition is what? In such a way that second stone is dropped. Just after dropping first, second stone is dropped just after 2 seconds dropping the first. Clear? Here the concept, when the first stone dropped, then after 2 seconds second stone is dropped from the balloon, and the balloon condition what? Rising upward with constant acceleration. Whatever the value of acceleration given, no matter, because whenever the balloon is rising upward with constant acceleration, then if the value is 2, constant acceleration 2 meter per second square. Suppose the value of constant acceleration 2 meter per second square, then we have to calculate what? The distance of separation. Distance of separation after 1 second between the two stones. Between the two stones. Here, numerical is very easy. So for solving this one, we have to analyze what the concept actually asking in this problem. In this problem, the main concept is what? The distance of separation between the stones when they are just dropped. And in which condition they are dropped? First condition, just dropping from the balloon, and second stone just dropping after 2 seconds from first. It means first drop first, and then after 2 seconds second stone is dropped. It means the time gap between these two stones for dropping is what? 2 seconds, and we have to calculate what? The distance of separation after 1 second. It means after the dropping of these two stones, we have to calculate the further distance of separation after 1 second. It means when just second stone is dropped, then after dropping 1 second, how much distance covered the first, and the stone second travel the distance downward after 1 second. And in this situation, the first stone that dropped earlier before 2 seconds from second, that travel distance in total 3 seconds. So distance first d1 is equal to what? Here u1 in both cases that is 0, but for upward, the net acceleration acting on stone, net acceleration acting on stone, here the stone moving downward with acceleration due to gravity, but the balloon is rising upward with a constant acceleration what? 2 meter per second square. Clear? The value of acceleration of rising upward is what? 2 meter per second square. Then this 2 meter in upward and the gravity 10 downward. So these two values will be added. Acting on stone downward, that is what? 10 plus 2 is equal to what? 12 meter per second square. This is the acceleration of a stone by which the stone going downward. So distance traveled by stone first in 3 seconds. Distance traveled by stone first in by 3 seconds taken, because after dropping first 2 seconds later second stone is dropped, and the distance we have to calculate after further 1 second. It means 2 and plus 1, 3 seconds. So this one travel how much distance? 1 upon 2 into g value, that is 12, and 3 means what? 3 square. 2 6 is 12, and 6 into 9, that is equal to what? 54 meter. This is the distance traveled by stone first in 3 seconds toward downward, that is what? 54 meter. Similarly, distance traveled by stone second, that is just dropped after dropping first, later 2 seconds, and how much distance covered in 1 second? We have to calculate the overall distance traveled by stone second in 1 second. So distance traveled by second stone, this is by first stone, this is by second stone in 1 second. Clear? Here first written, no matter further writing first, by stone first here written. So in 1 second, that is d2 is equal to what? 1 upon 2 will be into 3, not 3, 12, that is acceleration due to gravity, and 1 square, that is equal to what? 6, equal to 6 meter. Second stone traveled 6 meter toward downwards, first stone traveled what? 54 meter. So distance of separation between both. So distance of separation is equal to d1 minus d2 is equal to what? 54 minus 6 is equal to 48 meter. Clear? Very easy numerical and very interesting. I would say that very important numerical. So we will try to solve more numericals, such type of concept related to either kinematics or dimension analysis. If further any confusion in solving any numerical, then you can ask. So that's all for today. Have a nice day.